The word of the day for today, January 4th, 2022, is haphophobia. Haphophobia. It's a noun, and it is an extreme fear or dislike of being touched or touching. The origin is described on dictionary.com. It's kind of useful. It gets into the P sound and of the letter P, and as it appears in Greek, and how it changes because of the two forms of the letter P in Greek, and how it appears differently in different words as a result of that, of having two sounds that are very close. So that's super interesting, and I'm sure that will come up in other words that we look at in our lives. The examples, the first one I think is more useful than the second one. The second one is, to me, is just it seems like, it's just, here's the definition in the sentence. Not necessarily useful in terms of providing context, but it does. It's a very recent use of the term, so that I think is part of the value of it. That this word is in use currently, or still currently in use. The other one is a more contextualized, useful contextually to understanding what the word is, or how it plays out in an actual scenario that could be used to understand people psychologically, but also to create your characters as you write. So I like that example a lot, and it can, that first example can help to inspire your mind to think about the different ways that you can portray individuals' experience of this this extreme fear or dislike of touching or being touched. In this example, it is unexpected touch. There's a recoiling. There's a so other than a recoiling, what other ways that do, or what other ways would a human being, an animal, whatever, how would they react to having to touch something, or being touched, or wanting to, but being afraid to touch, or wanting to be touched, but being afraid to be touched. Right. So there are all these little struggles that I think could be used in a creative context to create the internal struggles, to explore the internal struggles of a character, but there's also an outward appearance, or an outward set of behaviors and actions that go along with it. That would be cool to watch play out.